Hello everyone, and welcome back to our latest installment of our YouTube vlog. Today we're standing in front of my brand new project. This is located in Hicksville, New York, but with the acclaimed Bethpage School District. We're on an oversized lot, mid-block location. We've got gas, we've got proximity to all the main roads, all the shopping in Hicksville. And today we're gonna take you around this property to show you what makes it truly special and talk about my brand new $25,000 referral program. This lot in particular is over 130 feet deep. It's getting harder and harder to find lots like this. We're gonna clear all these trees. We're building a 3,400 square foot house, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and this entire property is gonna be what you come to expect from us. PVC fence, sod, sprinklers, patio, and there's gonna be room for a pool. Introducing my brand new referral program where you can make up to $25,000. The gentleman that got me this house got paid, and so can you. This is how it works. Let's get right through the fine print. For a listing, whether you bring me a buyer or a listing, if that deal closes, you can make up to $10,000. It'll be discussed up front based on the buyer or the seller's price point in writing, and you already know how we do business. Many people have gotten paid through this same referral program. Now, if you get me a knockdown like this and I actually end up buying it, you can make up to $25,000. It's no secret, the market tightened up a little bit. It's getting hard to find nice properties like this. Talk to your neighbor, talk to your friends. We don't look to steal anybody's house. Let's sit down, let's have an honest conversation, let's do a comparative market analysis. If the deal works and I buy the house, you can make up to $25,000. If you have more questions, shoot me a DM, give me a call, and let's talk about this soon. Let's call this one Hicksville 7. As always, I'm gonna bring you along for the whole entire journey. We've got all our disconnects done, our demo permit is filed, our building permit is filed. We're gonna be knocking this house down and starting fresh over the next couple of weeks. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, you'll be able to get a really in-depth look at the entire process day to day. But of course, I'll bring you guys back as well. @Pinnacle Real Estate is my Instagram handle. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and have a great day, everyone.